Introduction to Neuroscience and Learning. Introduction to the module. Neuroscience provides insights into how the brain functions, allowing us to understand the underlying mechanisms involved in learning, memory, attention, and more. In this module, we will embark on a journey to explore the fascinating field of neuroscience and its profound impact on learning processes. By gaining a deeper understanding of the neuroscience of learning, we can enhance our teaching practices, optimize learning environments, and unlock the potential for improved educational outcomes. Let's dive in. Learning outcomes. After completing this module, learners should be able to gain a foundational understanding of neuroscience, identify key brain structures, understand the concept of neuroplasticity, recognize the role of cognitive processes, understand the importance of applying neuroscience principles in education. Neuroscience and its relevance to learning. Neuroscience, the scientific study of the nervous system, has revolutionized our understanding of how the brain works and its relationship to learning. By unraveling the intricate complexities of the brain, neuroscientists have discovered key insights into the mechanisms underlying learning processes. This knowledge has the potential to reshape education, helping us develop evidence-based strategies to enhance learning outcomes for individuals of all ages. One of the fundamental concepts in neuroscience is the idea of neuroplasticity. The brain is not a static organ. It has the remarkable ability to reorganize itself and form new connections throughout life. Neuroplasticity underlies learning, as it allows the brain to adapt and change in response to new experiences and information. By understanding the mechanisms of neuroplasticity, educators can design interventions and learning experiences that harness the brain's ability to rewire itself, optimizing learning and retention. Cognitive processes play a crucial role in learning, and neuroscience has shed light on their neural correlates. Attention, for instance, is a cognitive process that allows us to focus on relevant information while filtering out distractions. Research has revealed the neural networks involved in attention and the factors that influence attentional control. Understanding these processes can guide educators in creating learning environments that promote sustained attention and engagement. Perception is another vital cognitive process linked to learning. Our sensory systems gather information from the environment, and the brain processes and interprets this information to construct our perception of the world. Neuroscience has provided insights into how different brain regions are involved in sensory perception and how these processes influence learning. By considering the sensory aspects of learning, educators can design multisensory experiences that facilitate understanding and memory formation. Memory is a core component of learning, and neuroscience has unraveled its intricate mechanisms. Research has identified brain regions involved in memory formation, consolidation, and retrieval. Understanding these processes can inform teaching strategies that optimize memory retention, such as spaced repetition, interleaving, and retrieval practice. Neuroscience also emphasizes the importance of sleep in memory consolidation, highlighting the need for adequate rest to support effective learning. Emotions, stress, and motivation significantly impact learning, and neuroscience has elucidated their neural underpinnings. Emotions play a dual role in learning, as they can either enhance or impede information processing and memory. Additionally, neuroscience has shed light on the impact of stress on learning, emphasizing the need for stress management strategies to foster a conducive learning environment. Motivation, closely linked to reward systems in the brain, is another critical aspect of learning that neuroscience has explored. You'll learn more about these factors as you progress through the course. Brain regions and their functions in learning. The brain is a complex organ composed of numerous interconnected structures, each playing a critical role in learning and memory processes. Understanding these key brain structures and their functions is essential for gaining insights into the neuroscience of learning. Here, we will explore some of the primary brain regions involved in learning and their associated functions. Hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure located deep within the brain, that is widely recognized for its crucial role in learning and memory. It plays a pivotal role in the formation of new memories and the consolidation of information from short-term to long-term memory. The hippocampus also aids in spatial navigation and contextual memory, allowing us to remember and navigate through familiar environments. Damage to the hippocampus can result in severe memory impairments, emphasizing its significance in the learning process. Prefrontal cortex, situated at the front of the brain, this region is responsible for higher-order cognitive functions such as attention, decision-making, problem-solving, and goal-directed behavior. The prefrontal cortex is intricately involved in executive functions, which are crucial for planning, organizing, and monitoring one's learning strategies. It enables us to regulate our behavior, maintain focus, and make informed choices, all of which contribute to effective learning. Amygdala, an almond-shaped structure located deep within the brain's temporal lobe, that plays a vital role in emotional processing and memory formation. It is responsible for the encoding and consolidation of emotionally significant events. The amygdala's involvement in learning is closely linked to its role in modulating attention and memory based on emotional salience. Emotions can enhance or hinder learning, and the amygdala helps regulate the emotional significance of stimuli and experiences, influencing the strength and durability of memories formed. Basal ganglia, a collection of interconnected structures deep within the brain, which are involved in motor control, habit formation, and procedural learning. While traditionally associated with movement, the basal ganglia also contribute to cognitive functions, including skill acquisition and reinforcement learning. This network of structures enables us to learn and automate sequences of actions, such as playing a musical instrument or driving a car. By understanding the role of the basal ganglia in learning, instructional strategies that leverage procedural memory systems for skill acquisition can be designed. Cerebellum, often associated with motor coordination, also plays a vital role in learning. This structure is involved in motor learning and sensory-motor integration but has also been implicated in cognitive processes such as attention, timing, and working memory. The cerebellum helps refine and optimize motor movements and cognitive processes through feedback mechanisms, allowing for the acquisition and refinement of skills over time. Its involvement in learning extends beyond motor functions and underscores its significance in overall cognitive development. These are just a few examples of key brain structures involved in learning, and many other regions contribute to this intricate process. The brain operates as a network, with different regions working together to support various aspects of learning and memory formation. Importance of understanding the brain and learning processes. Understanding the brain and learning processes allows educators to design more effective teaching strategies and instructional approaches. It helps create learning environments that are optimized to support the brain's natural processes, enhancing student engagement and retention of information. By understanding the neural mechanisms involved in learning, educators can tailor their teaching methods to address individual differences and optimize learning outcomes for diverse learners. Knowledge of the brain and learning processes enables educators to identify and address learning difficulties or barriers early on, providing targeted interventions and support. It helps debunk educational myths and misconceptions, allowing educators to make evidence-based decisions and avoid ineffective or outdated practices. Understanding the brain's capacity for neuroplasticity highlights the importance of lifelong learning and provides hope for individuals to continually develop and grow. It empowers learners by providing them with insights into how their brains work, fostering metacognition and enabling them to become more effective self-regulated learners. Knowledge of the brain and learning processes can inform the development of educational technologies and tools that are designed to optimize learning outcomes. It helps bridge the gap between research and practice, allowing educators to stay informed about the latest findings in neuroscience and apply them to their teaching methods. Understanding the brain and learning processes contributes to a deeper appreciation and respect for the complexity of the human brain and its potential for learning and intellectual growth. Highlights from this module. Neuroscience is the scientific study of the nervous system, and how they interact to control behavior and cognition. The principles of neuroplasticity, cognitive processes, memory, emotions, stress, and motivation contribute to create effective learning experiences. The hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, amygdala, basal ganglia, and cerebellum are among the key brain regions essential for learning and memory processes. Each brain region brings its unique contributions to attention, memory encoding, emotional processing, skill acquisition, and executive functions. By understanding the functions of the brain regions, educators can design instructional approaches that align with the brain's natural processes, optimizing learning outcomes. Thank you. This is the end of this module. Hope it was a great learning experience for you.